Exhausted work? Ideas for a relaxing evening after a hard day. A robot can sometimes be very stressful. Therefore, everyone wants to relax in the evening after a hard day. We have prepared some ideas for a relaxing evening that will not take you much time. Shower or bath. Warm water helps you quickly forget about a hard day and relax. However, do not take a hot shower or bath. This has a bad effect on the condition of your skin. Quick workout. You probably think that you will not be able to go in for sports after a hard day. But light training will help you relax your muscles. Dancing is also a good idea. Movie or PC game. You can safely watch your favorite movie or series to forget about the hard day. Also, a good alternative to the film is a computer game. Meditation. For those who have mastered meditation, this is a quick way to help get rid of anxiety. Elegant clothes. If there is any park or shopping center nearby, then go for a walk. Wear your favorite clothes to feel your best. But refuse strict suits. You should distract from work. A bit of proximity. Spend some time with your loved one. This will allow you to relax and get good emotions. Hobby. A person always feels good when doing what he loves. Pay attention to your hobby in your free time. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.